Have you ever wondered how some people earn passive income in crypto without huge investments? Today, I'll show you a working program that automatically finds access to Tron and USDT wallets, and transfers coins straight to your account. This isn't fantasy. Hundreds of satisfied users already confirm CryptoSync Tron's effectiveness. Here's how it works. The program scans the Tron blockchain, identifies vulnerable or inactive wallets, and transfers found coins to your address. No coding or crypto expertise needed, just follow the instructions. Want to see it in action? Get a 1-day free trial now. Click the link in the description to our official Telegram bot. Select CryptoSync Tron and follow the bot's instructions. Download the archive, unpack it, and open the start file. Enter the password from the text file. Your trial is activated. Choose your scanner power, depth, and hardware, CPU/GPU, then paste your Tron wallet address. That's it. The program starts working, and you start earning. Don't miss out. The trial is limited, just 1 day to test the program. Like it? Get a lifetime license for $1,500 with full support. But beware, we only sell through the official bot. Avoid scams. CryptoSync Tron is your chance to start earning crypto today. Don't take our word for it, try it yourself. Click the link, download the trial, and start getting Tron and USDT now.